How to cash out Lazada Pay Later. The first things first, I'd like to let you guys know that Lazada Pay Later may not be available for all the Lazada users. But if you are lucky enough to be approved to use Lazada Pay Later, then I'm going to show you how you can cash it out. So first thing to do is just access your Lazada application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is head directly to your account settings. To go there, you should be able to find account located at the lower right portion of your screen. Now in here, you just have to scroll a bit down until you find my Lazada wallet. So tap on view. So here. So this option here, this is available balance. This is where your Lazada Pay Later would show up. So say for example, you are eligible or you are been approved to have a 2,500 of pay later, just for example. All I have to do is just to tap on cash in while you already have an available balance and choose on Gcash for you to be able to withdraw it. That's it. How you cash out on Lazada Pay Later.